In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing your books or handling sales, printing invoices is a key part of the process, so let's make sure this is as seamless as possible for you. To get started, log into your QuickBooks Online account and have your dashboard in front of you. Once you're there, shift your attention to the left panel, which is your main navigation tool within QuickBooks. Look for the section labeled Sales. Click on Sales, and this will take you to an area specifically dedicated to managing your sales documents. After clicking on Sales, you need to navigate to the Invoices tab. This tab is designed to store all of your invoicing information. You'll find it conveniently nestled within the Sales section. Once you're in the Invoices tab, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all the invoices you have created. Here, you'll need to look for the specific invoice that you want to print. QuickBooks arranges these invoices in an easy-to-read list, helping you to locate your desired document without hassle. Next to each invoice listed, there's a little symbol that looks like a downward-facing arrow, or what's commonly referred to as a caret icon. Clicking on this icon for the invoice you want to print will open a drop-down menu with several options related to that particular invoice. Carefully select Print from the choices provided in this drop-down menu. This straightforward action tells QuickBooks that you'd like to create a printable version of the selected invoice. Following this, QuickBooks will work its magic and instantly open a PDF version of your invoice right there in your web browser. You're now presented with a clean, clear, and professional-looking document that's ready for printing or emailing, your choice. From this PDF view, you have the flexibility to either download the invoice directly onto your computer for safekeeping, or just go ahead and print it straight away. Remember to ensure your printer is turned on and connected to your device for smooth operation. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. A few clicks, and you've expertly navigated through QuickBooks to achieve a printable invoice. Knowing how to quickly print invoices is invaluable and helps keep every transaction efficiently documented. Whenever you need a hard copy or an easily shareable version of your invoices, just follow these steps and you'll be set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process effortless for you. Stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips to streamline your business.